CNC drilling and attacking machine. This machine is mainly used for the nozzle mounting whole of the environmental protection spray system design and manufacturing of drilling and tapping processing for gold profiles and stainless steel square pipes. No programming required. Ordinary workers can also operate independently, completely ending the rigid dependence of traditional CNC on programming engineers. Adopting a foot-operated pressing and loosening method to improve operational convenience while freeing up hands. The whole machine adopts a vertical high rigidity structure, which has the ability to drill and attack heavy metal work pieces, and the left and right processing length stroke can reach 3,300 millimeters. Double beam infrared protective net. Automatic shutdown for foreign object intrusion, and worry-free human-machine cooperation. Efficient drilling and tapping processing can be achieved by inputting simple numerical values on the touch screen through human-machine dialogue, with real-time monitoring of production capacity and fault functions. Adopting the BT40 taper standard ensures the rigid positioning and clamping of the tool, and can withstand high torque. This machine integrates drilling small holes, drilling large holes, chamfering, flat-bottomed holes, and testing teeth. 5 major processes, flexible to meet diverse processing needs. This machine supports high-precision automatic tool, changing function through modular tool library expansion, significantly improving the efficiency of multi-process machining. This machine can efficiently complete the automatic processing of drilling and tapping of various work pieces in industries such as cooling towers, power facilities, logistics equipment, special vehicles, photovoltaic power generation, wind power new energy, environmental protection spraying, etc.